Alright, today I've got an exciting unboxing lined up for you featuring some amazing 64 scale models and the highly anticipated Tokyo Auto Salon 2025 limited 43 scale GR Supra signed by Nobuteru Taniguchi. Let's jump right in. First up, check out this Nissan Silvia S15 HKS Genki in 64 scale. Just look at that classic HKS livery. Absolutely fantastic. This is a must-have for any HKS fan or Silvia collector. Next, we've got the Toyota Altezza IS220, also in 64 scale. Now, I gotta be honest, the box has a bit of a wrinkle here. Looks like it took a slight hit during shipping. But don't worry, the car itself is in perfect condition. Despite the box damage, the model is flawless. Now here's another Toyota Altezza IS220, and this one is in perfect condition. No box damage at all. You can see the difference right away. This one's completely mint. Perfect for collectors who care about pristine packaging. The model itself is exactly the same as the previous one with the same attention to detail. Alright, now for the grand finale. The Tokyo Auto Salon 2025 limited 43 scale GR Supra, signed by Nobuteru Taniguchi. Just looking at the box, you can tell this is something special. The full HKS livery on the packaging looks amazing. And right here on the side, we've got the official HKS Toyota GR Supra drift car design, complete with Taniguchi's signature. That alone makes this a one-of-a-kind piece. This model is made by Makeup Company, Limited, and it's an officially licensed Toyota product. So, you know the quality is top-notch. Inside, we've even got a thank you for purchasing card from Makeup. And the model itself is wrapped in a protective cover with the Makeup logo. Let's take it out and get a closer look on. Wow, just look at this beauty. The paint job, the details, the stance, it's absolutely perfect. And of course, the real standout is Taniguchi's autograph, making this an absolute gem for collectors. If you're an HKS fan, a Supra enthusiast, or just a die-hard JDM collector, this is a must-have. That wraps up this unboxing. Honestly, every single model here is a great addition, but the GR Supra definitely steals the show. What do you guys think? Which one is your favorite? Would you add the signed GR Supra to your collection? Let me know in the comments. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more unboxings and model car content. Thanks for watching.